Oh no, not really. Yeah. Slow that initial real speed down a little bit.
Okay. Oh shit, I fucked up on the I know they're deeper.
That's 16 inches.
Here.
Look how quick he was. Oh, you got one?
Yeah, I'm.
Alright, pull it up and then get it in the boat. There you go, just like that, buddy. Hell yeah, Brantley! Hell yeah, let me get
Good
the car.
job,
Yeah,
my bad.
no, you're good.
I'll get another one.
My bad. Hey, got a boy. Hey, he's tied with you, Pop-Pop. Crazy. Oh, that's a good one right there. I'm thinking you know, I look at it. Hey, Brantley, while you're counting your Mississippi's, keep your thumb on that reel.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like this, ready? Down one.
I got one.
Yep.
No.
Slow.
I don't know if I have it anymore.
Yeah, I bet you do. Don't set the hook.
Oh yeah, I definitely got it.
Yeah.
I got. Oh, I messed up again.
You went too high. Bring it up. Pull it up.
Oh, you're right there.
Hell yeah, buddy.
Oh, I got one. Oh, this one's big. I got one. Ugh.
You got it, buddy. Reel it in. Good job, Brantley. Good job, Brantley. That's easy. Did we wake up loose? And he got off. How does that?
Oh, he wasn't that deep. Ugh. Dad, watch out.
Brantley, not too high out.
I know. I didn't. I thought he was deeper than that.
Yeah, make sure you leave.
Obviously, that one. You good?
Hey, got one.
You got one, Brantley?
I know.
Hell yeah. Just hold it there until he gets to you.
Yep.
Oh, that's a good one, Brantley. That might be a keeper. You got it.
Oh yeah, he might.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, he's a keeper. Good job, bud.
Good job, Brantley.
Oh, I know, dude. There's a damn dozen of them out there.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, he came off. I did that wrong?
No.
Okay.
Actually, yeah. They don't put it so close. Kind of put it right in the middle of it. Okay. On yours, go all the way to the bottom till it stops. Okay, and then just come up a few cranks. Just like. Yeah, just like 1 or 2 cranks until you can feel the weight. Now the weight on your pole. Alright.
There. Oh, that's a little one.
I'm going to keep you up, and we're going to go to another spot.
Other spot?
Yeah. So if I'm not next to you, hey, so how I did that? I was like about 6 foot. I did it right there.
Okay. Look, we're right there, another spot to get us some bigger ones. Sweet. Count me in. Hey, how do I do this?
Hey, man, keep it up. Let go of it. Sorry. Have your weight in the water. Catch it. Lay it down. Oh, you already got yours trailing? All right,
You did it.
Good.
I'm gonna go sit in there for just a second.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, I lost tension. Oh.
Yeah, I think you came off.
Mine came off too. I lost tension. Is this bait still good? Do you think the bait's still any good?
It's still on there.
Alright.
Too high, bud. Keep going.
Me?
2, right there. Go down. Deeper. There you go.
Oh, we got off. Probably pumped up.
So what I do wrong?
Did you lose tension? Yep. I'm here.
There you go, Brantley. You got one.
I messed up on my weight. Ugh.
Oh yeah, fish on, baby! Fish on! That's a good one.
You know when you see him.
Yeah, baby. Am I backing it up? Oh, that wasn't even that good one. You just talked.
He had hard.
Yeah.
It's on.
Get it on the boat, yep. Alright.
Oh yeah. Hey, we died. Wow, you got me too.
Y'all reel up for me?
I need the bucket of bait.
Yeah, we're gonna go this side.
Can we cast it?
Nope, he said don't drop yet.
All right.
Y'all go ahead.
Oh, it's got water on my shoes. I got one. I have one.
Let him know, Brantley.
Alright, drop this one all the way to the bottom.
Okay.
No, you want to come up?
Huh?
Drop it down.
You want to come up? Y'all reel up for me?
Oh my god, I'm soaked.
Motherfucker's still on.
What, is that your bait?
Yeah.
It's still alive?
Yeah. Dad, look at my bait. Oh God. Fuck yeah, dude.
In the net. Nothing but net. Yep, we're good to go. Alright, y'all hang on, we gotta move. Remember, you always want to leave that much when we go, so you can just whoop.
Too high.
Yeah.
Reel on the bike, guys. Reel on the bike. Reel on the bike. That's why I'm losing them from.
Real.
Bait right there.
Where's the bait?
water for a second?
Going on, buddy?
Yeah.
Yeah, bro. Freaking ass, dude. Spencer, this one good? Yeah. I didn't know you said that.
No.
Not a keeper?
No.
Okay.
It only got to be as big as my stick.
Where's Luke at? He's fine.
I need a that can give me a bait. That
Yeah, it's like,
Hang on,
yeah, it's
just
like
slow it.
3/4.
huh?
We'll just wait on him for a second.
I can do it.
Nope.
Guys, listen, put this bait on. Make sure you're coming from the top of the bait, under the back bone, and back out the top. Okay? You want to go under the back bone with the hook, and you know that bait is going to hook better. Okay? Reel on the bite.
to hold that hook.
Okay.
Always just throw it out and hold it until it hits the water. Then boom. You have to go a little bit more.
Reel it up.
I got the fish on.
All right, we're remember, like, if he wants to dig a little bit, let him dig. Like, if you've already got him out, that moment he stops digging, reel it up. Okay? Start reeling it up. Right there. We're on it, boys. On the beat. A little bit out. Put your thumb on it. All on its shore. Shore of our
You got fish on?
Yep.
Oh, it got off. That was like a little baby one. Brantley, you're kicking ass over here.
Oh,
Damn.
my bad.
All right. Go all the way to the bottom, okay?
I think we're
Right
about
there, right there. Yep, stop it. Now reel it up. Now reel it up. Now you feel the weight. I've got stuff like that.
Whoa.
You come off?
No, look. Well, yeah, but
You get all tangled up?
yeah.
Yeah, the ribs
They
go.
got big ribs there.
And this is helps me not have to like earlier, like later, like for you to cook it, like, you know, like there's actually one right there.
A bone.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But yeah, that just prevents it.